Right, and welcome back to another video of BF Performance and Custom Exhausts. And today we have got Jesse's car in for a Backbox delete. He's travelled up from the Midlands, he's travelled up from Nottingham, is it?
Nottingham.
Yeah, Nottingham.
Derbyshire, really.
Derbyshire. I mean, he's going to talk a little bit about the car and what he's done up to now. And we'll get the car in, get it up on the ramp and get that Backbox delete done.
Hello, hello. So, this is my lovely girlfriend's car. And pretty much the idea on my channel is we're just doing kind of little bits here and there to make it a little bit unique, make it stand out a little bit from the rest of them, which in this day and age is quite hard, but with people like Breakfit, it's making it a lot easier. So a couple of bits we've done on this, just done the front splitter. The lights actually came with the car, but they are aftermarket. We've had a D-chrome done, just aftermarket plates. We're debating getting the wheels done black or keeping them chrome, we're not sure. Just little bits like sun strip. We're obviously going to get the rest of the Maxton kit for it, and then obviously today we're down here at Breakfit getting the Backbox delete. So looking forward to seeing how it sounds. My girlfriend's pretty excited as well. So yeah, we'll see how it sounds. We'll let the guys crack on.
It's alright, Harry, I don't need you, mate, it's fine. Got it all in hand.
I'll go home then. Early day.
Oh, it's having a little wee on me.
Well done. Did it.
You play guitar with
Yeah,
that?
go on. I will. It's a bit heavy.
Doesn't know how to touch it.
I know it's going to be hot, so...
We've now tacked up all the exhaust in place where we want it to be. We're now going to take it back off, and Jay's now going to set up a time lapse, and we're going to weld up all the seams and everything else, and then get it fitted back in place, and then we can finalise and put the tips where we want them, just so they're sitting right. I think this is going to end up looking pretty good, and I think it's going to end up sounding pretty well as well. Hopefully Jesse is going to be pleased with it, but we'll wait and see. Right, so that's the Abarth exhaust done. We've done the Backbox delete. We've reused the original tips on this, and at some point if he wants to upgrade he can do quite easily. All he has to do is cut them off and put a little bit of extra pipe on and put some bigger tips on if he wanted to do that. Now, massive thanks for Jesse coming down and seeing us and using us as well to have this exhaust done. I mean, big thanks to him and his girlfriend. It was good to meet them today. He's really impressed with the sound, and so am I actually. It works out pretty well, and not only that, it looks pretty awesome as well too. So stay tuned for any more videos. I mean, we do quite a lot of exhaust on these Abarths, so you never know, we'll probably do some more, and we may even do like bigger systems as well, so stay tuned. Thanks guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Another thing that we're going to do a bit of an offer, because Jesse has been down to see us. We're going to do an offer code, so if you mention his name, you can contact us through Instagram, you can contact us through Facebook, or message our website, or even our number, which is on the front of the garage and you'll see on the video. If you mention him, we'll give you a 15% discount on anything from exhaust, resonator deletes, backbox deletes, and any other custom things like induction kits and anything else really, like big brake kits as well. So yeah, just drop us a message on Insta and drop us that code, or drop us Jesse's name, J3ESE. Yes, you remember that because that's the one. You drop us that and we will knock you 15% off the final bill. Thank you guys. See you later.